Welcome back to HTML Mastery Course 2026, and today listen, we are learning about Semantic HTML, one of the most important concepts for creating professional and modern websites. So what is Semantic HTML? Semantic HTML means using HTML tag that clearly describe the purpose of the content that contain. So instead of using generic tag like dev for everything, Semantic HTML provide a meaningful tag such as header, nav, main, sections, article, site and footer tag. So these tags tell browser, search engines and developers what each part of the web page represents. So think of it like labeling rooms in a building. Instead of naming every room is a room, we use labels like kitchen, bedroom and office. This makes the building easier to understand. Semantic HTML works the same way for web page. So let's look at a simple website structure. Header contains the website title, nav tag contains navigation link, main tag contains the primary content, and then sections, groups, related information, and footer contain copyright information. So just by looking at these tags, anyone can immediately understand the page structure. So this makes the code cleaner, easier to read, and easier to maintain. So remember, semantic HTML is equal to meaningful HTML tag that describe the content and structure of a web page. Now let's understand why semantic HTML is important. So many beginners use dev tag everywhere. While a page may still work, it's become a harder for search engine and screen reader and other developer to understand the content. So semantic HTML solves this problem. Why does it matter? Semantic HTML provides clear meaning of every section of your website. It's improve accessibility, search engine optimization, SEO, and then code readability and website maintenance. So real example, imagine these two versions of the same web page. One is the without semantic HTML and the second is with semantic HTML. So when someone look at this code which is without semantic HTML, they must read the class name to understand the structure. But with semantic HTML, this is now the purpose of each section is instantly clear. Means header tell us it is the page header, nav tag tell us it's navigation, main tag tell us it's the main content, and footer tag tell us it's the footer. So search engine like a Google can better understand your page structure, so screen reader can guide visually impaired user more effectively, and developer can maintain and update the website faster because the code is easier to read. So here is some benefit of semantic HTML. Means better accessibility, improve SEO, cleaner code, and better user experience. Better user experience means a well-structured website is easier to navigate and maintain. So semantic HTML is not just about writing code. It's about creating websites that are easier to understand, more accessible, SEO friendly, professional, and scalable. So that's why modern web developers always prefer semantic HTML tags over generic dev tag whenever possible. Now let's learn about another very important topic in a modern web development, accessibility basics. So what is accessibility? Accessibility means designing websites so that everyone can use them, including people with disabilities. For example, a visually impaired person may use a screen reader. A user with limited hand movement may navigate using only a keyboard. Someone with low vision may need clear label and readable content. So a good website should work for all users, not just those using a mouse and screen normally. So why accessibility matter? Accessibility helps make your website easier to use, more inclusive, more professional, better for SEO. So search engine and SEO technologies both benefit from well-structured and accessible HTML. So let's create a simple accessible form. Let's understand why this form is accessible. The label tell user what information should be entered, and screen reader can announce this is the email address edit field. So this helps the visually impaired users understand the input field, and this gives extra information to user when connected using error described by screen reader can also read this helpful text. So all form controls such as input button can be reached using the tab key. Users who cannot use a mouse can still navigate and submit the form. So using proper HTML elements like label, input, button helps the SEO technology understand the page correct. So let's take some real example. Imagine an online shopping website. A user with visual impairment wants to subscribe to a newsletter. So if the input field has no label, the screen reader may simply announce edit field. So the user was not know what information to enter. But with a proper accessibility feature, the screen screen reader announce email address edit field, and the extra information is we will never share your email. So now the user clearly understand the purpose of the field. So this create a much better experience. Accessibility is about making the web usable for everyone by using proper label, semantic HTML, keyboard friendly control, and helpful description. You create a website that are more inclusive, easier to use, better for screen reader, more professional, and SEO friendly. So remember, a great website is not just viewable, it is accessible to everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Ilyasoft, and share this course with your friends who want to learn web development from scratch. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Happy coding!